I mean, let some things
We
be.
believe
They are
in
more
God.
romantic when, you don't try to prove things.
You know, Kajol, I have read and heard that you devour romances.
Oh, I love them. Yeah.
Books, period romances,
Completely.
historicals and all
Yeah.
of that. But tell me, given what we've just been talking about, do you think that true love is is available more easily and freely in the books and less in real life, which is vitiated by some of the things you just mentioned?
I don't think so at all. In fact, I think that true love, I think people do find true love. It's just that, I really feel it's a time where people don't want to work towards it. We go into it thinking that, as I said before, you're thinking of a prenuptial agreement before you get married. I mean, the point is that you want to get married to this person because you believe somewhere down the line that you will want to be with this person when you're 60 years old, when you're 70 years old, and you'll both be on walkers together. That's the theory. At least that's what I believe you should get married for. And if you're not getting married for that reason, don't get married.
If you believe that two people meet each other is destiny, I think being together I don't think is destiny. For that you have to work
Exactly.
on it.
You have to work. If you falling in love is easy. Falling in love is really easy.
And then you realize I was never in love because, things don't work out. But you have to make an effort in everything. I mean, in our work or whatever we do.
But for that, Ajay, Kajol, I blame you guys and the Hindi movies. Because all of y'all, all the movies so far, and this I guess is going to be the one that's different, say the end where the actual story begins, isn't it?
That's for the end, for the audiences to see the film and go home and, start their own maybe.
Exactly.
But I feel that, my film actually does not end.
Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, that's
at least the emotion does not end. And for a relationship to survive, that's what my title also says. It's when you and me become hum. That's when the relationship survives. If you stays you and me stays me, I don't think you can have a relationship eventually. Okay, and in spite of that, you have to be you and I have to be me.
Okay, so the delicate balance between staying you, me, and yet being this collective unit hum. Let's now take a look at You, Me and Hum, the title track of the film. The music is by Vishal Bharadwaj. We'll take a break, but when we come back, Shrija and Shirish on how they overcame big roadblocks in the way to their love story. We'll be back in just a bit.
एक घूंट जो पी ले साला चढ़ जाए समाने उसने घूर के देखा तो भड़क भड़क कुछ फड़का है मुझको कच्चा खा गई झोंका है ना तड़का है पहली बार हुआ ऐसा धड़का नहीं दिल झगड़ा है